Welcome to another Little Nest house tour, where modern living meets the serenity of nature. Today we're stepping into a thoughtfully designed 2-bedroom small budget house that's perfect for those looking to maximise space without breaking the bank. We start our tour on the outside of the house, where the minimalist design of the facade sets the tone for the entire home, emphasising simplicity and functionality. The small front porch offers a charming space to relax and enjoy the surroundings, while the back of the house features a smaller veranda, providing a cosy retreat. Stepping inside, we're greeted by the living room, which boasts a simple modern design with a TV console as the focal point. The ample seating makes this space perfect for hosting gatherings or simply relaxing after a long day. Adjacent to the living room, the small dining space exudes restaurant-style charm, with seating for 4 people, ideal for intimate meals or casual dining. Next, we move into the galley-style kitchen, which is surprisingly spacious and well-equipped. It offers space for a full-size fridge and provides ample storage, making it both practical and stylish. The kitchen also leads to the back door, providing easy access to the backyard and outdoor space. Heading back through the living room and into the small central corridor, we find a well-appointed bathroom with a vanity, toilet, and a refreshing shower, emphasising the theme of luxury through minimalism. Next, we enter the first bedroom, which overlooks the backyard. This bedroom, though staged as a bedroom, could easily be used as a home office, thanks to its versatile layout and ample natural light. Finally, we reach the master bedroom, which is staged with a queen bed and offers a window with a view of the front of the house. The master bedroom is a cosy retreat, perfect for unwinding and relaxing after a long day. This budget house is thoughtfully designed to also be sideways stackable, making it ideal for creating a semi-detached development or rental unit. This house is 7 metres wide and 9 metres long, and with an internal space of 43 square metres, sitting on a footprint of 63 square metres. For detailed layouts, visit us at littlestnest.com. Little Nest, the journey to your dream home starts here. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment and hit subscribe for more content like this. Oh look, here is another video you might enjoy.